Hey there, traders. Welcome back to the channel. If you've been searching for real working OLYMP trade promo codes for 2024, you're in the perfect place. Stop wasting time on fake or expired codes. Today, I'm sharing exclusive codes that actually work, help you maximize your trading capital, and unlock hidden bonuses. So stick around because I'll also share the best way to redeem these codes instantly. We all know how competitive trading can be, and every extra dollar counts. OLYMP Trade often releases hidden or limited time promo codes that boost your deposit with bonus funds or free credits. But the problem? Most websites out there share outdated or fake codes just to get clicks. I've done the research, tested these myself, and here's the real deal for 2024. Let's get straight to the codes you've been waiting for. These are active as of right now. OLYMP Win 2024, get a 50% deposit bonus on your next funding. Trade Boost 50. Instantly add 50% extra funds for deposits over $50. OT Pro 2024, enjoy 30% extra credit for all new users. Bonus 2024 VIP, exclusive VIP upgrade for high deposits. Trader Gift 25, flat 25% top-up bonus. Win Trade 10, extra 10% bonus for small deposits. Free Day 2024, get a risk-free trade credit when activated. Smart Trade 20, enjoy 20% bonus with this code. Deposit plus 40, a whopping 40% boost on deposits above $100. Extra 2024 win. Perfect for seasonal promos. Check this weekly. These codes are updated regularly, and the ones above have been verified for 2024. Now, to make sure you're not missing out, I've added the link in the description below where you can copy these codes easily and apply them during your OLYMP trade deposit. Using that link not only gets you access to the latest codes, but also supports this channel so I can keep finding the best deals for you. Always combine promo codes with ongoing deposit campaigns on OLYMP Trade to maximize your bonus stack. This way, you're getting free money that you can trade with. So, there you have it. Real verified OLYMP Trade promo codes for 2024. Don't wait too long. These codes may expire or change anytime. Grab them from the link, boost your capital, and start trading smarter today. If this video helped you, drop a like, subscribe for more exclusive codes and trading tips, and comment below which code worked best for you. See you in the next one, and happy trading.